Hi guys, how are you doing today? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw faces using face proportions and trying to make it as realistic as possible. We'll start with drawing a line. So as you can see on the screen, draw just a straight line. This will be our line of symmetry. And then we're gonna draw we're gonna separate it into two halves and then draw a circle at the top. And it should be towards the middle of the line. Then you're gonna put some more centers in there to break down that line for us. So as you can see here, and then we draw a second circle. Try to make this a little bit smaller than I've done here in the video because it came out to be a bit longer than I wanted it to be. Usually the second circle is a little bit smaller than the first circle. At this point, we're going to separate the face into different portions. So we'll map it out and we can use those as guidelines. So we'll start with the top of the head, then the hairline, and then just the center of that circle. And here we're going to draw the eye line. Coming next will be the nose position, and then finally we're gonna have the position where the lips will be. It should be around the middle of the circle, and at the end here we're gonna try to have the chin or possibly the neckline. Now we can draw the outline of the head. So we're going to connect the two circles together by sketching around it. You'll end up with like a face shape. So as you can see, the face has been divided into two halves vertically, and then we're gonna point to where the eyes will be drawn. For the eye, try to put some dots as a reference where you'll be drawing those eyes, and just kind of find the middle section. As I've drawn lines in there, and then I've used that as a guide to draw the lines. Okay, so it's two semicircles, and then from those small semicircles you just kind of put a pupil in, and just continue with the eye. And then on top of that, you're gonna just have some eyebrows. It lines up with the center line, and then moving forward, you're gonna just kind of try and shade it in, and then we're gonna move on to the nose after that. At this point, we're gonna position where our nose will be, and we're gonna shape it according to the shape we want. So I'm gonna draw some curves around the end of it, and then I'm gonna connect it to the location where I position the nose. And then we're gonna give it a bit of shading to just make sure it looks better and realistic. We'll try and use the middle of the smaller circle as a positioning for the lips. It doesn't have to be exactly at the center, just kind of see what looks realistic and try and kind of build up the lips. So you'll either have two triangles or you'll have a round one. Depends what you're going for in terms of the lips. And now we can do some final touches. So the hair will be with the hairline as we indicated earlier. We'll just build that up as we wanted. So depends if you're drawing a face of a girl or a guy, what kind of hairstyle you want to give them. I just went with a simple like basic hair. And then here I'm changing the positioning of the chin because I felt it was a bit too low. I converted it into a neck, and there you go, you can see his stop, and we can shade from here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know if this was helpful to you in any way. And if you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful, make sure to like the video and potentially subscribe for more videos like this.